Hello, welcome to Tuesdays in the Attic, week 28. Another lovely sketch. As always, Jen Hedger has a really good sketch, ability, because you can do a lot with them. So, we're going to have some fun playing with Jen Hadfield, Live and Let Grow. It's one of my July scrap room kits. Lots of fun, florally beautiful colors like purples. I get the regular flavors of the month kit, the double shot kit, and I also get the pattern paper add-ons and the embellishment add-ons and the shots of life kit. So this is a combination of all those things. After I kind of do some of them, I put them all together. So this is the extras from shots of life, pattern paper add-on, and embellishment add-on, plus the flavor of the month kit. So if you're wondering where I got all the goodies, it'll be linked down below. I've got some cute photos of my son with some cousins. I'm trying to decide which pictures I want to use. I might try to use all four. We'll see. Or I might weed them down, or I might change my mind altogether. I really wasn't sure what pictures I wanted to use today. So let me get my papers out and start cutting to match the sketch, and we'll check back in with you. All right, you guys, I started building and started getting excited, and it was working. And so I ended up taking all three of those photos, and I figured I don't have a ton to journal, and they have a couple spots where you could journal. I could always sneak journaling somewhere else. So I took all of them, cut them down. They're about 4 3/4 and just stacked them on top of each other, matted them on this gold paper. Let me see if I can find a chunk. This is this paper. It is the sunshine paper. So matted them on that, cut down, so I gutted this floral paper, which was, I believe this one was pansies, and then the back of it is this gingham. So then I gutted that, framed my cardstock that I got in the kit, and cut this inside down to an 8x8 square. And so this is about 10 inches, I think I decided. Yes, 10 inches by something. I don't have my ruler. I kind of eyeballed it. It's like 4.5 or maybe even 4. And then I cut this piece down, which is the back of this, to almost the same, a little bit shorter to tuck that in. Matted the photo on a little bit that I had left of this floral. And I was like, okay, I need something else that'll pop on this page. Well, I've recently cut out a ton of Confessions of a Paper Addict cut files. I'm on their design team, so I was cutting things out, and I have all these delicate florals from, I believe, April. I love them. Some of them I cut too tiny, so they have some broken parts, so I thought those would be perfect for tucking in. So I'm going to tuck in a couple of these. I had this heart floating around that was also cut, so I'm going to layer that there. So I layered 3 of those little florals over here. So nothing's glued down yet, but I'm really liking what we're creating and what we've got going. So then I think I'll tuck in this little gold leaf, this little love, some of these stickers. We'll tuck in some words, I'm sure. Yep. Hello would be really cute. Right there is our title, so that could work. Putting the butterfly here might work. So let me, well, I can get rid of this. Let me get this stuff glued down, and then I'll start tucking away here. I don't need the fish, we'll save that. But ooh, I've got lots of good florals I can tuck in. It's a cute little tent. Probably won't tuck that in anywhere. But some other florals I can tuck in over here. We can rearrange things a little bit. And then I'm not sure if I want to use that for my title or something else. But I'm loving the way this is turning out. It's turning out really good. So let me do some gluing, and then I'll follow up with you after that. I have decided less is more in this case. So I tucked the little dragonfly up there just to bring some gold over. We layered that love on top of that heart, which worked perfect. I'm going to add a little glue behind here just to make sure. I glued down this One Canoe 2 Hello that kind of matches. It's just kind of a pale. And then I, like a pale peach, which kind of pulls in kind of the orangey color. And then I decided I just needed something. I didn't necessarily want gold hearts sprinkled around, so I have some Spiegel Mom Scraps rustic hearts that we're going to sprinkle. And just kind of sprinkle within these little floral clusters. I got it. I got it. And we'll call it done here in a second. Maybe we'll do some gold splatters too. Add something. I just didn't want to add more bulk because I like these flowers, the delicateness. We're not too heavy. Oh yeah, I was gonna do some words. We could do that maybe, but these stickers are just so big. Let's see. Yeah, we can do like these would be cute, and these are like in a wood veneer, so it kind of works perfect. Smile. And then hugs. Together. Just kind of cute. Memories tab right here. And then I'll probably just add a little bit of journaling right here, and then we will let's do some splatters. It's a little gold. It looks kind of like orangey, but it does dry gold here. Try not to get any on faces. And then we will just journal down here. Perfect. All right, you guys, there we have it. Week 28. I added more photos instead of subtracting photos. I'm just changing the sketches all the time, but I really like the way this turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.